This screen tells you your humidity level at this moment, and then as it drains, you will actually hear the sound, the water drop sound. That it tells you the water being drained into the tank, and everything to touch the screen here. And then the mode, you can switch it from dehumidifier to dry. When this is a dry setting, the fan runs faster. When this is just slow dehumidifier level, it slows down the speed and it's a little bit more quietly, and which I prefer it for normal daily uses, because I don't like it being too loud, but it doesn't affect. And then you will see constantly the number will drop, because I initially start with 70, now it's 66, so I feel much better too. And the air is so breeze, like so cool. It makes you feel good.